Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, before we start, let's pray together. Oke, kita hari ini akan belajar mengenai part of speech. Sebelum itu, mari kita gunakan ice breaking dulu. Oke, jadi ice breakingnya berpasangan. Yang satu tangannya gini, gini. Yang satu tangannya gini. Ada pada depan. Nah, instruksinya, jika saya bilang jauh, tangan kamu menjauh. Kalau saya bilang dekat, tangan kamu mendekat. Kalau saya bilang tangkap, kamu harus berusaha lolos dari tangannya Arya. Oke? Jauh?
Coba dulu.
Oke, bisa kita coba dulu. Jauh, dekat, jauh, dekat, jauh, dekat, 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 jauh, tangkap. Oke? Kita coba lagi. Jauh, dekat, jauh, dekat, jauh, jauh, dekat, tangkap. Oke, untuk game kedua, silakan taruh salah satu benda di depan kalian. Serius?
Ini kelompok.
Hah? Oke, instruksinya, jika saya bilang sakit, teman-teman pegang perut. Jika saya bilang sikut, teman-teman pegang sikut. Jika saya bilang sikat, baru teman-teman rebutan ambil benda yang ada di depan teman-teman. Oke?
Apa lagi?
Sakit, sikut, sakit, sikut, sakit, sikut, sakit. Fokus. Sakit, sikut, sakit, sikut, sakit, sikat. Oke, terakhir. Sikut, sakit, sikut, sakit, sikut, sakit, sikat. Oke, teman-teman. What do you know about part of speech from this example? First example, she happy. Second, I very like it. And the third, she beautiful. It is natural to you?
No, not natural.
Okay, why not?
Because it's not concrete yet.
Yes, of course. So, the root cause, we don't know what words do. Grammar error happen when we don't know the function of each word we use. Okay, and this material, what exactly are part of speech? So guys, for the simple explanation, part of speech, there are categories of every word in English. They are not meant to confuse you. They exist so you clearly know what job we have, what job each word has. Why is matter? Like a first example, she's happy. It's wrong because you don't know which word type should fill the linking. Second, I very like it. Wrong because you don't know what that very can only be used with certain types of words. And the third, see beautiful. It's wrong too, because you don't know what this word need a partner to form a complete sentence. And next, I will show you about definition of part of speech. Part of speech itu dibagi menjadi 8. They have 8. For the first is noun. It's like a main character. Noun is a word show name or person or place, things or animal. Example: cat, girl, apple, Surabaya, happiness. And of the words hippo to apple, the noun is
Apple.
apples. I love her, the noun is
Her.
good. And the second, it's verb. It is like the engine of the sentence. Verb is important because it shows action or happening. We have verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3. For the verb 1 is infinitive, like eat, miss. Verb 2 is past simple, add, miss it. And the verb 3 is past participle, eaten or miss it. And next is pronoun, the shortcut words. Pronoun is used to replace nouns. The function is to avoid repeating the same words. Why this important is for look natural, like listen to natural to you. Contohnya, kayak objek kita punya my, your, his, her, its, our, their. And the second, we have subject, Ayu Dewi, she, it. And the owner, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourself, and etc. Next is adjective. It's like the painting brush. Adjective, the function is their job is give detail about nouns. Example: beautiful, tall, big, red, and noisy. Adjective have comparative and superlative. For the example of comparative is like taller, bigger, more tall, more big. And the superlative is like tallest, biggest, most tall, and most bigger. And next is adverb. It's like the detail giver. Kalau adjective tadi menjelaskan about nouns, nah adverb itu menjelaskan about verb. Function is give extra information. Example for the manner is quickly and slowly. Time, today, now, place, here, there. Frequency, always, never, and degree, very or really. And the next is conjunction. It's like glue. Conjunction, it used to connect words, phrase, or sentence. Conjunction have two types, coordinate and subordinate. You can use fanboy is like for and not but or yet so, fanboys. And subordinate is when, while, after, before, since, at, until. And for the last, interjection is like emoji in sentence. For the example, use when surprise, hurt, happy, scared, or scaling someone. Interjection itu sama aja kayak emot di dalam kata-kata, seperti wow, hey, or yay. And the last, preposition. is like GPS. The function is show position, time, direction, or relationship between words in a sentence. For example, in, on, at, under, between, next to, or behind. You can use to, into, onto, toward, and from. Okay, can you give example about preposition? Like, coba gunakan kalimat in.
Harus insert.
Ya, harus in.
Kalau aku
For,
mau yang
for
lain.
sentence apa
For sentence.
full kan?
Yes.
Coba.
Okay, you.
I'm going in to Indomaret.
Okay, right? You.
Harus in. Aku yang lain.
Ya, ada yang lain.
I am underwater.
Okay, it's right too. Okay, this is example of the preposition. Who can spelling the sentence of the third example?
What?
Spelling sentence.
Indonesia.
No, it's like sentence. Cat. The cat on the.
Oh, the cat on the box.
Okay, and next.
Cat in the box.
Then.
There's a cat under the box.
Oh,
Okay.
and sorry for a second, the black cat.
Okay. 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 So I will give you a task. Now make a sentence from conjunction. Ada yang bisa nggak?
Terserah apa yang
Ya terserah. Contohnya.
Maju apa
Boleh?
tulisnya?
Boleh. Okay.
Wow.
The example is he is already 20s, yet yet he doesn't have a job.
Betul nggak?
This is right or wrong?
Right.
Can give a plus.
Good.
Kalau kamu sekarang coba bikin kalimat menggunakan
No, I think no.
adverb.
That's wrong. Oh, yeah.
Just do your job quickly. Yeah, it's right.
Right.
Thank you. Okay. Dia video berapa? Bentar.
Oh, dia ada di soal
11 ah. 10 menit ah.
Gak apa-apa.
Emang iya?
Ya, aku memang suka menit.
Oke. Okay. Okay, for the conclusion, part of speech itu fungsinya buat memberikan semuanya terlihat lebih jelas, lebih natural. Okay. Okay, for all of this material, are you understand?
Yes, understand.
Oke, ada yang perlu ditanyakan nggak terkait materi hari ini?
No.
Dari semua penjelasan saya, coba sekarang buat kalimat menggunakan preposition in, on, at. Coba dari kamu dulu Arya. Silakan gunakan subjeknya apa aja menggunakan kalimat in, on, dan at. Oke, maju. Boleh maju, boleh langsung ngomong maju guys. Bebas ya, bebas. Subject is slave. In, on, and at. Oh iya. Okay, Leo, what's that? Have a dinner at sushi restaurant. Apakah ini benar? Ya, ini benar. Give applause. Is enough for you? Oke. Kesimpulannya, part of speech itu fungsinya supaya semua kalimat yang Anda gunakan itu lebih natural, lebih jelas, dan sesuai pada fungsinya. Oke, sekian pembelajaran saya hari ini. Have a nice day guys. Thank you so much.